Hi guys, how you doing? This is Mauricio from MyGo Consulting, and we're here today to show you one of our SAP EWM mobile apps. It's a packing and unpacking app. So we'll start by showing you some standard EWM packing process, let you see what it looks like on the mobile display, and then show you lastly how it updates in real time in your SAP system. So to start, essentially what this packing and unpacking app does is going to split the quantity of the line items so you can pack them into separate HUs. So to get started, we're going to go to inbound delivery. We're going to scroll down here to follow on functions and then select pack. That's going to open up another window, and when it does, we'll expand that so you can see um, all the details in here. So you can see that we're starting with this line item, solar plates, and it has a pack quantity of 10 with a total quantity of 10 as well. So over here, what we're going to start first by creating our HU. So first we just enter our line item and the number of HUs that we want to create. We're going to do 4, and you can see them populated on this list over here. So then we're going to move over to our next tab, which is repacking. And so here we got to enter our delivery number, our item number, our quantity, and then finally the destination HU that we're going to. So essentially what we're doing is we're starting with our first quantity of 10, and we're going to move some units into each of these handling units. So we're going to start one at a time here. And for the sake of this demo, we're going to fast forward through this process a little bit so you don't have to watch me go through my SAP GUI, because that obviously is not super exciting. So here you can see we got 2 units into each of our handling units. This is going to be the last one we're doing right here, and you can see that list populating on the left there. All right, so now you can see it in our standard ECC process. We have these 4 handling units, and we're going to move over to the mobile display. This is a standard Fiori look and feel. You got the blue screen with the tiles. We're going to select our packing and repacking application, which is what we're showing you today. And as soon as that opens, you see we have 2 options, one for inbound delivery and one for work center. So for the sake of this demo, we're going to select inbound delivery. And as soon as that does, what populates with our list of delivery numbers from EWM along with the corresponding POs from ECC. So for the sake of this demo, we're going to do delivery number 510. We're going to scroll up, we're going to select that, and it's going to pull, just like in our standard GUI, we have our 3 options, starting with creating the HU, which essentially is just selecting how many HUs we want to select, and then we have our repacking tab, which will drill down and kind of like that repacking tab on ECC. And then finally, this last one is going to populate a list of HUs in terms of printing out labels when you're all done. So we're going to get started here. Last time we did 4, this time we're going to do 5 HUs. So we're just going to enter that in, hit execute, and you're going to see the list right there of the HUs we just created. So now we're going to move over into our repacking tab. We're going to select our line item there. And same as we did in the GUI, we're going to enter the quantity that we want to move, and then we're going to select the destination HU. The other stuff already gets pre-populated in the app. So here's our list of HUs that we just created. We're going to select one, and then we're going to move forward. So we're going to hit pack and save. You're going to see our success message. There it is, completed. We're going to hit OK. And we're just going to keep on doing. So just like last time, we did 2 at a time. This time we're going to do different quantities and move them into the different HUs. So one of the nice things about the mobile app, you'll see this thing comes up green. And so what's telling you is that we have already selected that HU and moved some quantity in there. So as we're going to keep on going through this process, you're going to see more green bars. That's because we have more HUs that have been used. So the ones that are still white, we know are still empty and free and clear to keep going. So we're just going to keep on going through this. You can see we're moving different quantities into different HUs. It's pretty easy, just a couple clicks of a button here and there. And of course, all these are fully customizable. So say you don't want to have to hit OK afterwards, that's fine. It's just an extra safety precaution for people that have sticky thumbs, kind of like I do sometimes. So we're moving these quantities over 5, 10, 20 at a time into different HUs. And you can see we have more green bars as we go. So this is going to be the last one we're going to do is 208. We got our success message. We're going to hit pack and save, OK. And now we have our list of HUs. So here you can see the different quantities that are in each of these. And so if you wanted to select all of these at once, you can just select that box next to handling unit, or you can go one at a time. And then you just go scroll down at the bottom. you select your printer and you hit print, and that way you can print simultaneously, because of course the purpose of all these mobile applications is to make you quicker on your feet when you're doing your daily activities. So to show you in the GUI how all of this updates in real time, we got our inbound delivery number 510. You can see there's the document number. We're going to scroll down to our HU tab down here so you can see the 5 HUs that we just created and the different materials that were put into each of them. Because again, the purpose of these mobile applications is that all of this is updated in your SAP system live time. So there's no drag, there's no having to go into a SAP terminal later and duplicate all this effort. So this pretty much does it for our packing and unpacking app today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, feel free to reach out anytime if you have any questions. My name is Mauricio Grossi from MyGo Consulting. Thank you very much.